Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm back with a new video. This time it's Amazon finds. You will find around 11 items that I purchased from items. These are must-haves in my opinion. So I got all these at a very affordable price. I would want to share all that with you. So these are Amazon must-haves. So you can look into this. I'll add all the product links in the description box. You can just have a look at it, and if you feel it is necessary, you can buy it. So let's quickly jump into the video now. So the first one is a watch organizer. This is how it looks like. It comes in a black box. I don't know what material this is. This does not look like leather, but it's a very good material. Once you open this, you have a pocket here. You can put any of your valuables here, and then you have 8 slots here. You can, I think it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 slots here. So you can place your watches in this and close it and store it. So it's a very useful and handy item. So if you have multiple watches, you can buy 2 or 3 of these boxes and store it in a place. So all your watches will be very safe. So you can just keep your watches in this, wrap it around this small cushion pillow and keep it inside this. It will look very beautiful. It's a very handy item. So I'll add all the price details in the screen so you can have a look at it. So this is a watch organizer. The next one is this scalp massaging brush. So when you're having your hair wash, what you can do is after applying shampoo, you can just rub this brush against your scalp. It will cleanly exfoliate your scalp. If at all any hair product is left in your hair, it will remove all that. It will remove all the gunk, dirt from your hair. It will also help in blood circulation. So you have to pour shampoo on your hand and you have to just rub it into your scalp. It will cleanse your scalp very well. So I found this very useful. This has removed all the oil and gunk from my hair, and it has also helped in blood circulation. So these bristles are made of soft silicone, so it will not prick your hair. See, I'm pressing it. It will not prick your hair. It is very comfortable. So you can buy this. This is a very useful item. So this item is a dishwashing brush. So what you have to do is you have to open this compartment, pour your dish soap inside this, and then close it. So the soap would be there inside this compartment. All you have to do is press this button. So the soap will get dispensed from this, and then you can wash the dishes. You will not have to use your hands. If you are allergic to soaps and all, you will not have to use it. And you have to scrub anything, you can use this brush. So the soap will get dispensed from this portion, and you can easily scrub and wash the dishes, whatever you have. It's a very useful item. My mom loves this item a lot. So I got this in a set of 2, I guess. So it came at a very affordable price. This is a very useful item. Then I got this ring tighteners. So this is a very unique item. So these are the spiral things that you can see are ring tighteners. What you have to do is you have to wrap it around your ring and cut it according to the size of your ring, and then you can wear it. For example, now I've worn it in this ring. This ring is a little loose for me. I can wear it only in my middle finger. But what I have done is I have cut the spiral piece into a short piece and have wrapped it around the ring. So now I can wear it in my ring finger. It is not at all loose. So this is a ring tightener. It's a very useful item. You can find it on Amazon. I would highly recommend buying this if you have problems with loose rings. So the next buy is this oil dispenser, anti-leak oil dispenser. I've already shared a shorts on this, so you can have a look at my shorts to see how it functions. So what you have to do is you have to pour oil into this. And when if you want to pour this oil into a pan or a vessel, what you can do is you have to just tilt it. Once you tilt it, the cap will automatically flip open, and you can pour the oil from this opening here. So once you have finished pouring it, again you can tilt it back. The cap will automatically close, and after pouring you can find that there is no leakage or spillage of oil in this area. So this is an anti-leak oil dispenser. It's a very useful item. I have used this. My mom has used this in the kitchen and she has found it very useful. I've got another piece which she's using in the kitchen. So this comes in plastic as well as in glass. So you can find both on Amazon. Whichever you prefer, you can buy it. This is a very useful item because there is no spillage or leakage of oil once you pour it. So there is no problem of cleaning it again and again. So this is a very good item. It does not make your oil pouring activity a messy activity. So the next item that I got is a set of 2 small baskets. So you can store all your trinkets in this. It's a very handy item. It comes in a set of 2. I got it in grey color. So this comes at a very affordable price. It's a sturdy one. You can keep anything inside this. You can keep your medicines. You can keep if you have any water bottles or anything. If you don't want the water to spill on your table, you can keep it inside this and place it. Or you can place your artificial jewelry, your daily jewelry items. You can place into this and easily remove from this. You can store your medicine, small stationery items you can store in this. This is a very handy item. You can store whatever you want in this. It is a very handy item. I actually liked it when I saw it on the website, and now when I'm using it, I'm finding it very handy. I bought another set of this, so totally I have 4 baskets. It's very useful. Then I got this spatula set of 6. So this is how it looks like. You have 6 spatulas. It comes from a brand called as Agaro. So I got this from Amazon only. All the items that I purchased are from Amazon. So it comes in a set of 6. So you have a small spoon, a small spatula, a large spatula, a large spoon, a long spatula, and 1 brush. So you have totally 6 items. It is made of silicone. It is heat resistant, so you can use it for your cooking. Only thing is you should not deep fry using this. Otherwise, this is heat resistant. I have tried using this with in my cooking process. So I found it very useful. So this is a very good purchase. It came at a very affordable price. These are very sturdy, but it's very flexible also. So when you're using it, it will be very useful for you. So all these are very good items. So I've used it. It is heat resistant. It does not melt or become sticky once you use it. You can easily wash it off with the dish soap. So it's a very handy item. You can buy it. The next item that I wanted to show you is this set of 3 storage baskets. I have got only 2 because in the third one I have stored my nail polishes and kept it aside. So I have found it very handy. I have stored my items in this. So it comes with lid, so you can close it, and it is easily stackable. You can keep one on top of another. So you have 3 baskets totally. You can it came at a very affordable price. You can store one on top of another. You can store your medicines, your stationery items. If you have small kids socks and all, you can store it inside this and keep it. You can store your artificial jewelry or any item, any household essentials that you want to store. You can store it inside this and you can close it with a lid, and it has handles on both the sides. So if you want to carry it also, it will be very helpful. So it's made of sturdy plastic. It's a very good item. I found it very useful and handy in my daily household routine. So you can buy this. Okay, so the next item is a hot water bag. So this is how it looks like. I'll add the picture of it so you can have a look at it, how it will look like. So what you have to do is you have to open the lid, pour hot water into this. Not extremely boiling water. So you can pour decently hot water into this, and wherever you have pain or cramps, you can keep it in that place. It will be very helpful for your knee pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, back pain and all. I have found it very useful. My mom has also found it very useful. Apart from this, this can also be used as an ice pack. So if you have any inflammation or any blood clot, you can just pour little ice water into this, or add 4 or 5 ice cubes into this and place it on the place wherever you want the treatment. So this is very helpful. It's a very handy item, especially when you're suffering from any pain or cramps. This is very useful. It is very easy to hold also. Even if you have headache, you can just pour lukewarm water into this and keep it on top of your head. It will be very helpful. So I have used this and found a lot of relief from this. So the next item that I wanted to share with you is this storage drawer. So I'll add a photo of this. This is a very handy item. You can store all your essentials in this. Let me just try opening one of the drawers. For example, if I open this, I have stored few of my items into this. All my eye makeup items I have stored inside this. So you can store whatever you want, your makeup items, your eye makeup items, your brushes. For example, in this I have stored my brushes, makeup brushes and all. So this is a very handy item. It comes at an affordable price. The quality of this is very durable. You can use this for your storing your daily essentials. Obviously, you'll have to clean it once in a while because dust may enter inside the drawers. So, but however, it is a very, very useful and handy item. You can store your essentials in this. So the last item that I wanted to show you is this lipstick organizer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 24 lipsticks. You can store 24 lipsticks inside this and keep it on top of your dressing table or on top of your vanity. It will look very good. So if you have more than 24 lipsticks, you can buy another organizer and store it inside that. This has been very useful. It has helped me in organizing my lipsticks in a proper way. So it almost accommodates all sizes of lipsticks. Only if the lipstick container is a little large, it might not accommodate into this, but otherwise normal bullet lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, it will accommodate into this very easily. This is a very, very good item. It will look very good on top of your vanity or on top of your dressing table. So you can surely buy this. So these were the items I wanted to show it to you. So these are all household essential items. I believe you would have all loved this video. So I'll add all the product links in the description box. If you want to buy anything, you can have a look at it and you can buy it. I believe some of these items are available on other websites also. You can check and compare the price and buy it. Otherwise, these are all very handy items. I have been using this. My mom has been using this and we have found it very, very useful. So I wanted to share this with you. So anyways, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and please do share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe to my channel. I do see that in some of my videos, the views are there. However, people are not subscribing to my channel. I would request you to subscribe to my channel and help me grow in this journey. So I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. See you. Bye-bye.